Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we had NFP yesterday and we were expecting some good moves from the market because market was thoroughly very boring and sideways for the last couple of days. And NFP also disappointed us. Right after NFP, okay, we saw a drop on DXY. We felt that finally DXY is going below 105.75, but we saw immediate recovery again. So not DXY, NFP was pathetic, okay, as a trader. And if you look at the overall sentiment, you can see the dollar Friday initially moved lower on the US November payroll report that showed the November unemployment rate unexpectedly increased, which boosted chance of a Fed rate cut at the December 17-18 FOMC meeting to 85% from 70% before the report. So this was the reason why market recovered immediately after this red candle. Okay, and now we can see that technically DXY is back inside the range. Okay. And as we all know, okay, we are in the month of December. So December is not a very good month to trade because after 28th of December, usually the market is flat and dry and market is at holiday mode and we are back in action again in the second week of Jan. Okay, but this month we saw that right after this first or second, okay, market was flat, market was dull, and there's not much activity going on. So as a position trader, swing trader, okay, I think that okay, you should take rest for this year, and you should be looking for new opportunities next year because after 10 to 12 days market will be slow again. So as a positional trader, swing trader, this is not the ideal market condition. And if you are a day trader, then you can look for level to level trading only, but you should not be expecting high profit right now because market is not in a position to deliver. If you look at the chart of DXY, we can see that market closed at 105.97 here and the range of DXY. So you can say it's still the same. On Monday, if market tries to recover or market continues the upside, we will see resistance around 106.75. And if market comes down, then we will have support around 105.50. So this is the range of DXY right now. And for some good moves, DXY needs to break this range, either upside or downside. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Time will speak. And this is the hourly chart of Euro USD in front of us. If you look at the daily chart of Euro dollar, we can see that after this big fall, okay, Euro USD is trying to recover, but the buying power is missing because when market fell, okay, just look at a series of candles. But in comparison, okay, the buying candles or the green candles, okay, are not very strong right now, and right now market doesn't have volume also. So again, I'm repeating, okay, I will not recommend any swing or position trades right now. If you have any ongoing buy on the chart of euro dollar, you can continue because in the next few days you may see market going up because overall the market is an uptrend, may not be a very strong one, but yes, market is more or less bullish. But if you're looking for fresh position in a market, then I will strongly suggest you day trades only. Okay. So in this situation, the next buy opportunity on the chart of Euro USD will be around 1.05 0525. Okay. So we are considering 1.0525 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level. We can see that market has respected our FIBO 50% retracement level. So we are expecting the FIBO to work here as well. And in this situation, in a choppy market like this, yes, we can have the expectation. So if market comes down on Monday, we can look for a buy around 1.0525 because of FIBO and also support around this area. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up as a day trader, we can look for a sell around 1.0615 to 1.0630. This is a big zone here. Okay, so as a day trader, we are looking for sell opportunity around this area. In this market situation where the market is more or less bullish, we should not be looking, but we do not see the buying power here. So we can expect some quick pips around this area. Okay, so as a scalper, as a day trader, we can look for sell around 1.0615, 1.0630. The best resistance on the chart of gold, sorry, not gold, Euro USD is around 1.07, 0700. This resistance is still very much valid because it's a big number, round number, plus the previous support will also be acting as resistance. But 1.0700 seems to be far right now. So let's see how market reacts around 1.0615 and 30. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. Unlike Euro USD, we can see a better recovery going on the chart of British Pound US Dollar. So if you have a buy on the GBP USD right now as a swing trader, okay, you can hold your buy position because Euro USD's upside is weak, okay, in comparison to GBP USD. So if you are planning to hold your buy on GBP USD for the next couple of days, you can hold your buy position as long as, okay, GBP USD is continuing the upside. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, here also I will not suggest any positional and swing trades because of the current market situation. And Christmas, okay, almost coming, market will be dry. Okay, so it's better to look for day trades only. We are traders, so we need to be flexible according to the market situation. So if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, okay, you can look for a buy around 1.2688 and 1.2650. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy position as a day trader, but no level is permanent. Once market will come to the level, observe the market for 30-40 seconds whether market is showing price rejection from below or not. If you see that market is showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. We are considering these two levels because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level and FIBO 50% retracement level. Along with that, we can see we also have support around these two areas. Okay. On the other hand, we have a resistance around 1.2855. Okay, around 1.2855. Same situation here also. We have the previous support working as resistance. So as a day trader, okay, as a day trader or scalper, you can look for some quick sell around 1.2855 area as well. My dear friends, probably you have already heard the announcement that the world's most affordable workshop is back again. So it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support that are conducted in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 7 days workshop. First, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. There will be gaps because we need to learn and execute, because if we learn at a stretch, we forget, isn't it? And as I said, okay, it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. In 1 month, you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis, and many other things. These are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. Along with that, you will also receive free risk management guide, checklist, lot size calculator, trade plan, and for Indians, there will be a special session in the month of January. Because India mein trading is little difficult, it's complicated, you must know. So if you want to know, okay, how does the WhatsApp group looks like, you can just click here. There will be a sample video. We also have a Telegram community where you can chat with other traders around the world. And these are the weekly sessions topics. You can see here, I have carefully chosen the topics. All the classes will be conducted over Google Meet and there will be recordings as well. So even if you miss the session, no need to worry. You can watch the recording later. And the best part is the fees here for 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. And trading takes time. Trading is a journey. Okay, we also need sometimes personal sessions. And if you really like my work, okay, you can join semi-annual or lifetime support as well. In semi-annual, okay, you will receive 2 personal sessions and WhatsApp support from my side. And in lifetime support, okay, you will be receiving lifetime support from my side on WhatsApp and 6 personal sessions. These are important for those who are really struggling with the market and looking for some personal help. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a lovely weekend.